Welcome back everyone. Now let us start problem number 46, which says if the electric field in some region is given by the expression E is equal to this, and what is the charge density. The question is formula based only, so now let us do it. So problem 46 on page 108. Alright, so we are given that E is equal to K upon R, 3 R cap plus 2 sine theta cos theta sine phi theta cap plus sine theta cos phi cap. We are given this. So we need to find charge density. So we know that E dot del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon naught, and divergence in case of spherical, or let us first discuss general case for divergence. It is written as 1 by h1 h2 h3 del by del e1 h2 h3 a1 plus del by del e2 h1 h3 a2 plus del by del e3 h1 h2 a3. So in case of spherical coordinates, h1 is 1, h2 is r, and h3 is r sine theta. Alright, and where e1 is r cap, e2 is theta cap, and e3 is phi cap. Alright, so now let us calculate del dot e. So from the question we can see that first of all we need to write h1 r square sine theta del by del r square sine theta. I'm taking k outside from the whole term because k is constant, and taking r inside this r. So we get 3 upon r plus del by del theta r sine theta into this term. Let me just take this term as b into b. Let me just focus. Yes, plus del by del phi that is r, and sine theta cos phi. So we need to process the question by solving this expression. Now let us solve it one by one. First of all, taking 1, I'm giving numbers so that the question is taking 1. On solving 1 we get sine theta will be cancelled by sine theta because it is constant, on the derivative is only on r only. All right, so on cancelling this r by this r we get only single r, and we get 3. So I get 3k by r from 3k by r square from taking 1. Now taking 2, on taking 2 I get r will be cancelled by this r, and sine theta will be remained sine theta because the derivative is on dependent on theta. So I get 1 by k by r outside. All right, and I have here k by r sine theta. Sorry, let me just write it clearly, not here. Taking, just a second. Yes, taking 2, I have this term. All right, 1 by r sine theta del by del theta sine theta, and now taking this term 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, and sine 2 theta sine phi. All right, we need to differentiate this term. So we get first of all, with respect to, we'll differentiate this one, cos theta sine 2 theta sine phi, and plus cos 2 theta 2 cos 2 theta and sine theta this is phi. All right, let me just focus. Yes, and sine phi, and divided by r sine theta. So this came on solving this second term. Now let us solve for third term, taking 3. Taking 3, I get uh, r. This sine theta will be cancelled by this, and r will be cancelled by this r, and I'll get sine phi minus sine phi upon r. All right, so we'll get this one by, and there is one more r here. All right, the r, this r. All right, so this is cancelled by this, and I get r square here. So these 3 terms we got, this one, this one, and this one. Let me write them. Let me just focus. Let me write them all in on the next page, and then solve further. Just a minute. So now let us just solve further. We got these 3 terms. All right, so 3k upon r square, this will be as it is. Now solving this term, k upon r square as it is, and cancelling sign here, we'll get 2 cos theta sine phi plus 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta, and this will be cancelled by this, and we got sine phi, and minus sine phi upon r square k. All right, so on solving for the 3k by r square plus k by r square, in next time I'll take them common. I will not write them again and again. So sine phi, taking sine phi common, we get 2 cos theta plus 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta minus 1. All right, so this we got. Now solving more further and taking k r square common, 3 plus sine phi, and opening this we get 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta sine square 1 minus cos square theta 1 plus minus 2, and I left at 2 cos theta. So let me just make it 3 and make it 2. All right. Oh, I did a small mistake here. When I open the sine 2 theta, then one cos will also come, so square will be there. All right, so here will be 4. All right, 4 cos square theta minus 2 minus 2 cos plus 2 cos square theta minus 1, this minus 1. So in total I got, on taking common, I get, let me just focus. Yes, k by r square 3 plus sine phi 6 cos square theta minus 3. So all 3 common from this term and this term, so I get 1 plus sine phi and 2 cos square theta minus 1. So I get 2 cos square theta is 1 plus sine theta 1 plus sine phi cos 2 theta, and this is equal to rho by epsilon naught. Taking epsilon naught here, I get rho k epsilon naught r square 1 plus sine phi cos 2 theta. So this will be the answer of that of the charge density. The question was a bit lengthy due to the calculation. So that's all for this video. See you in next video.